In this video, I'm going to show you guys step by step how to turn those comments on to be displayed under your YouTube videos, so stick around. Now that we're on my computer, what you're going to want to do is head over to YouTube. Then up here, the top right corner, we're going to click into YouTube Studio. And then from there, we're going to head down to on the bottom left corner where it says Settings. And from here, we're going to go into Channel and then Advanced Settings. Okay, so now that we're in Advanced Settings, the first thing you're going to want to check is over here where you got the three options. Yes, that is made for kids. No, that is not made for kids. Or that you want to review this setting for each video. So when these videos are potentially made for kids, comments aren't going to be displayed. So for your comments to be displayed, as long as the video is not for kids, you're going to want to click on no. And then from there, hit save. But if you do have some videos that are made for kids and some that are not, you're going to want to then click on this one. I want to review this setting for every video. But like I said, if it's not a video made for kids, none of your videos are, just click no and then save. And next we're going to go to community and then defaults. And then here is another place that could potentially holding you back from displaying comments on your videos or under your videos. And you have four options here. So we'll start from the bottom. Disable comments. Okay, so you're not going to want to click disable comments, obviously looking to add comments or to show your comments to your videos. So you could hold all comments for review, which that would take forever to sit here and just one by one going through all the comments and checking them. That one's good, that one's not. So if anything, if you're afraid of like inappropriate comments under your video, especially when you're first starting off, you're better off clicking on this one, hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. But if you want to allow all comments, you're going to click on this one right here, allow all comments, and then click save. Yeah, that's it, guys. That's how you display the comments under your YouTube videos. Got any questions? Leave them down in the description below, and I'll see you in the next one.